Father God, may I beg you forgive me, Father God, may I beg you to forgive me. I'm not gonna ever cuss like this again, Father God, forgive me. Hello, are you Janelle? Yes, is this the bridal place? Yes. Oh. Come on in. Welcome to Katie's Couture.
Thank you.
My name is Charmaine.
Hi.
Come on, come to
my
say
name already.
Janelle, yes. Okay. Janelle, I have 6 dresses to show you today. We have 2 types of dresses. We have the mermaid dresses and we have the ball gown dresses. Alright? I only have 1 ball gown and these 2. This is topless ball gown and this is this mermaid with sleeves. Alright? And this is a mermaid with like you can wear like off the shoulder. This one? Yes, this one. Can I see this one please? You think you like this one? Yes. I have one I really want to show you. I have another dress. It is big, so I don't really put it on the arm. I break the arm. Alright? Yeah. But I'm going to show you. Nice. You can wear it off the shoulder, the strap. This is a mermaid.
Off the shoulder?
Yes.
I like it. Alright. Mega try it. Yeah, mega try it. Alright, I'm nervous. We finally find my dress.
I think this will fit you. I think this is your size. That will fit you perfect.
Alright, I'm gonna try it.
Yes!
Alright.
1876.
Hey, Katie, it's Carlton.
Hi, Carlton.
What go on? Janelle reach yet?
Yes, she is at the shop. I am currently not there, but she's there with my assistant. And she's been taken care of.
Okay, good. Well, I'm going to pop up and surprise her. But I don't remember exactly where the place is. Could you give me some directions?
Oh, we're at 31 Stapleton Avenue, Passage 4, Portmore.
Okay. Alright, no problem. You're good?
Yeah, man, I'm good so far.
Alright, and I owe you a drink. Thank you very much for this.
Alright. You are most welcome.
Alright, take care.
You too.
Hello?
Hi, how may I help?
I spoke with Katie.
Yes?
I'm here. Janelle is here?
Yeah, she's inside. You want to come in?
Yes.
Come on in. Southampton.